Wednesday, July 29, 2020, the social media been flopped with one letter we come out from the Coalition for Change C4C party, and this letter addressed the Clerk of the Saloon Parliament, Paran Tarawali, and the Speaker of the Saloon Parliament, Honorable Dr. Abbas Chernobundu. The topic of the letter get for do with change of parliamentary caucus executive from the C4C party. Women say the C4C party want for change then leader at the Saloon Parliament, Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina, and other MP them we don't get position for lead the party in Parliament. The letter carry on for name Honorable Francis Bendu of constituency 27 na Kono district, we be deputy to Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina as new leader for the C4C party at the Saloon Parliament. Honorable Sir Charles of constituency 28 as deputy leader. Honorable Ea Kasigbama of constituency 26 na Kono district as whip, and Honorable Combat Commander of constituency 24 na Kono district as deputy whip. The letter no been get any reason why the C4C party decide for pull Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina as them leader na the Saloon Parliament, and the person we been sign this letter na the National Secretary General for the C4C party, Koigbo Aloysius Fo. Black TV Online been try for get onto the executive of the C4C party, but not been able for get person for talk to directly, as the number with somebody from C4C been give Black TV Online for the National Publicity Secretary for the C4C party not been go through. But inside one interview with the National Publicity Secretary for the C4C party, Lawrence Bolo Koka, give to Radio Democracy 98.1 FM Thursday, July 30, he say one of the reason them we make the C4C party want for pull Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina as the leader na the Saloon Parliament, na that the C4C party not satisfied with Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina for lead the party na the Saloon Parliament, and this na because he say them as C4C executive believe say Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina no they represent the interest of the C4C party na the Saloon Parliament.
No way no day where you suppose for represent the party, the views of the party in Parliament, you go and go represent your own. That is definitely anti-party activity. I mean, if a party put out a press release for say this now position, they don't get you in several meetings for say this now for discuss position, then reach that position and day. Now, whether you as an individual agree with the position or not, as long as the consensus, because in politics normally what you look for the majority. So for example, for the president of Sierra Leone, you look for 51%. That means 49% of the public might say, I don't want this person as president, but you still be president. So it don't necessarily mean that you as an individual, you get for agree with maybe the chairman, or you get to agree with the National Publicity Secretary or the Secretary General, or we not get to agree. But outside the majority don't say, well, no, now this line we want for take, then you don't come on a meeting outside the party agree to that line they want for take. Of course the party they expect you to follow that line there.
That na Lawrence Bolo Koka, the publicity secretary na the C4C party, and this decision of the C4C party for pull Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina as the leader na the Saloon Parliament come just after with Tuesday, July 28, 2020. Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina decide for support the ruling SLPP, NGC, and Paramount Chief MP them for agree for Mohamed Kone for be the new NEC Chief Electoral Commissioner, and not been support one press release we been float na social media say the C4C party no go support Mohamed Kone for be the new NEC boss if he not show say he been register during the 2018 election na Saloon, but the leader of government business na the Saloon Parliament, Honorable Matthew Sanuma, during this term presents photocopy of Mohamed Kone in voter ID card for the 2018 election at the Saloon Parliament, which show say he been registered. During this term, two other C4C MP them join Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina. We make them 3 from the C4C party for agree for the new NEC boss, and 4 other C4C MP them we include Honorable Francis Bendu, where the C4C party wants for make a replace Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina, support the main opposition APC party, not for agree for Mohamed Kone as Chief Electoral Commissioner for NEC. Waiting clear back na the fact say, based on the list for the C4C party sent at the Saloon Parliament, all 4 of the MP them will support the APC party for vote against the new NEC boss, and them the C4C party give new position. But waiting Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina get for say, but this decision where the C4C wants for take for sack him from him position.
Actually, the letter not get no footing. Very shameful. I keep on saying that the letter is stand on thin mosquito leg. the very author of the letter is not no legal base at all for author a letter because he's a defunct leader when time in the expire from the mandate to begin as Secretary General. Let him come to convention. We're going to make it legal. So he also commits contempt of parliament. He's the wrong person for right to the wrong officials then in the House of Parliament. So that make the letter right, you know, no basis at all, and also no reason forwarded. Normally when people can send letter, you see reason forwarded. Absolutely no reason forwarded. Why? An illegal, defunct, expired leader, the rights for the removal of a founder member of a political party in parliament and outside parliament. So where are we? So because of that, I'm not even want to countenance the other reason they give because it's like not even of a with the rituals and protocol with the rule parliament, the SOs to be specific, the standing orders. For they can do Mr. Speaker in Oak and Mr. Clark in Oak. So with all them here, I want to just continue for telling people them I'm still a legitimate, indisputable, legal leader in the House of Parliament, as emphasized today by Mr. Speaker during ruling.
But why Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina not been take to the press release from the C4C we been afloat na social media we been claim forget the C4C party in position on the approval of the new neck boss?
Because I know they play cook politics. Play cook politics, now we get preconceived trivialities keep inside you. You forget what the actual thing when they put nation before. For God's sake and argument's sake, the now Chief Electoral Commissioner now been director now the Financial Intelligence Unit. He resigned for can't take the job of a Chief Electoral Commissioner. In predecessor, Mfa Ali Conte, now been director of operations. Now NEC, he resigned for can't take the job of a Chief Electoral Commissioner. All the institution they work for, then come through the House of Parliament. The institutions then we Parliament pass document for the work there. So what's the fuss? What's the difference? Cheap politics is nation first. Section 32, 1 AB, you don't qualify the man for be legal. Section 75 of the Constitution, Act number 6, 1991, you don't qualify the man. All the criteria then consult party, oh yes, and consult party officially. The man on 21 year, the man is Sierra Leonean, the man is speaking English, you understand English, he fulfill all the criteria then. So, what's not the cheap politics for play? You check in predecessor and credential like him, what about himself? So, me as MP, I've been subscribed to the OTR Parliament that I will serve my nation conscientiously with my conscience. I know I'll be betrayed by my conscience. So that make a stand because by my party in Manchester when a nation first. Nation first, not individual first. Nation first, not to be tribe first. Nation first, not to be region first. Nation first. That is it. Now just demonstrate on that day because the man competently qualified. That was the adverb I used. Competently qualified. Will not even waste time safe.
So what you go say to somebody we go say you need for stand by the dictate or the stance of your party in a parliament because we see the leader of the APC, of course the main opposition, Honorable Chernoba, we read the statement of him party towards the approval of the neck boss. He been stand with the party in position.
It's sad that with the party officials and already deal with my party, I'm not going to show potential not be irresponsible. That's social media they go send letter. No way. You see the main opposition leader, they come with official document for give Mr. Speaker after reading out. Me, I always see me on social media. How can you take such a decision? You don't even tell me. I don't even know. Not only social media. Then I cannot even subscribe to them.
But you see, I mean, get back onto them for.
No, I don't even subscribe to them because it be embarrassing for them to come talk about letter. Why in a parliament now? So you see, I don't even get copy. I don't even know. I said no. Let me don't talk about it.
That's the Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina, the leader for the C4C party in the Salon Parliament, although in party say they don't want him again. Thursday, July 30, 2020, the Speaker of the Salone Parliament, Honorable Dr. Abbas Chernobundu, talked to MP them but one letter where he say he received from the Secretary General of the C4C Party for inform am say the C4C Party don't pull Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina as them leader at the Salone Parliament. But the Speaker say he no see any provision at the Salone Constitution and the standing order them na Parliament will make room for this kind of decision. For sake of this, make the Speaker of the Salone Parliament, Honorable Dr. Abbas Chernobundu, say he not recognize the letter where the C4C Secretary General write to him, and Parliament still recognize Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina as leader for the C4C Party at the Salone Parliament.
The correspondence I have received was signed by the Secretary General of the C4C, not by the leader. Not by the leader. And even if it were, honorable members, please bear with me. Even if it were signed by the leader, I will deal with it as a moot point for now. I will not indicate what my reaction would have been. It will remain a moot point, and I'll deal with that issue when the time comes. But as of now, let me make it categorically clear and abundantly clear that I will discountenance the correspondence that I have received. And will therefore continue to recognize the Honorable Emerson Lamina as the leader of the C4C Party in Parliament.
During Thursday, July 30 sitting at the Well of Parliament, Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina been continue for occupy in seat as leader of the C4C Party at the Salone Parliament and the C4C MP them, where the C4C press release name for replace Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina not been complete Thursday sitting as them been left the Well of Parliament before term. For Salone Parliament Eye on Gla TV Online, Mina Abdullah Gla the reports.